think we would all appreciate that tonight. Go on. Oh, we got two of you. Oh, good. We've got. And while you're over there, you can show Paul how to dance because he was feeling a wee bit insecure last night. Not sure how to portray himself on stage. He didn't want to dance too much, but he didn't want to come across as a boring old fart either. So. Can we have a big clap for the horn? Now I know what you're all thinking, but we're going to play Molly's Lips next. Well, I wouldn't like to disappoint, so. And we'll learn that dance next.